Namaskara. Let's solve question 21 to 40 of Model Paper 2, covering 5 chapters in this video. First question. In a given graph, length of BP. What is B? B is 3, 5. What is P? P is 3, 3. The distance between these two is 2 units. 1 unit, 2 unit. Answer is 2. It's a formula question. If Pxy divides a line joining A, B in a ratio m is to 1 to m is to 2, then x and y are equal to. What's the formula? This is a statistics question, question number 23. In a cumulative frequency distribution table given below, the number of families having income range of 20,000 and 25,000. So ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ 5,000, 10,000, 15,000ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆ ಥರ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು 20,000 to 25,000 ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. How do we solve? We can say that 37 families have more than 25,000 income. 50 families have more than 20,000 income. That means 13 families have income between 20,000 and 25,000. So 37 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ 25,000ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 50 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ 20,000ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 13 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ 20,000 to 25,000 ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿ. Average marks scored by a student in a test of 6 subjects is 18. Marks scored by him in 5 subjects is 86. And the marks scored by him in the 6th subject. Missing score be x. We know that the average score is 18. So average formula is 5 subject score plus missing score divided by 6 subjects equals 18. Simplify. X plus 86 equals 18 times 6, which is 108. And you can say that x equals 108 minus 86, which is 22. So ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. 5 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ 86 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು 22 ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿ. 25th question, empirical formula question. Median and mode of group scores are 26 and 29 respectively. The mean of the score is. Empirical formula is 3 median equals 2 mean plus mode. If you simplify this, you get mean equals this formula. If you substitute for median, which is 26, and mode 29, and if you simplify, you get 24.5. ಎಂಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. 3 median equals 2 mean plus mode ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ಗೆ 26 ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಮೋಡ್ 29, 26 3ಲಿ 78, 78 minus 29 is 49, 49 divided by 2 is 24.5. Correct answer is D. Triangle question, Pythagoras theorem question. Triangle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is right angle triangle. AB 2 cm, BC 2 cm. What is the value of AC? Using Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equals hypotenuse square. Side is 2 and 2, so 2 square plus 2 square is 8. Square root ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you get 2 root 2. Answer is A. This is basic proportionality theorem kind of question. In triangle ABC, if DE is perpendicular, DE is parallel to BC, then the relation which is true. So, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ see. AC divided by AD. What is AC? This side. AD this side. So, that are two different sides of the triangle. So that is not an option. So A option ಅಲ್ಲ. B ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? AD divided by DE. Same triangle. Hence that is not possible. So this is also not an option. Third one, AD divided by AB, AD divided by AB equals AE divided by AC. Yeah. ADE, ABC are similar triangles. Hence, AD divided by AB is same as AE divided by AC. So option C is correct. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಉಳಿಯಿತೋ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. 28th question. If ABC is similar to PQR, areas are in the ratio 25:9, BC equals 5 cm, length of QR is. This is a standard question, especially because 25 is 5 square. How do we solve this? Similar triangle ratio area is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. If you apply the formula, we can show that ratio of the area is square of the ratio of the sides. Substitute. Ratio is 25/9. 5 square is given. 5 square by QR square. So what do we get? QR square is equal to 9 times 5 square divided by 25, which is 9, which is 3 square. QR is 3 cm. So ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 25/9 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. QR ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ 25/9ನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 9 times 5 square divided by 25, which will be 5 square 25 cancel ಆದರೆ 9, 9 3 square QR 3. Correct answer is 3. Okay, this is a triangle question. We have 3 angles in the ratio 1:2:3. What is a triangle? First we need to find the angles. To find the angles, we'll use that some of the internal angles are 180 degree. So angle ratio 1:2:3, which means angle can be written as A2A 3A. You add the angles, you get 6A. We know that it is 180 degree, which means A is 180 degree divided by 6, which is 30 degree. Therefore, angles are 30, 60 and 90. Why? If A is 30, 2A is 60, 3A is 90. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು A2A 3A ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6A ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 6A ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಅದು 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಲು. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ A 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೈ 6, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. A 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಾ, ಆದರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನು? ಒಂದು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಡಾ? ಹೌದು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ B. 30th question. It's a true statement question. 4 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್. Same size, same shape. Similar, only same shape, not necessarily same size. So similar triangles are not always congruent because similar triangles are not same size. Square and rectangle are always similar. No, they are not same shape. Hence, they are not similar. Equiangular triangles are always similar. Yes, equiangular ಅಂದರೆ same angles. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದು similar ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ. 31. The length of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside are equal. Why? Because of the theorem which says if you draw tangents from an external point, you can draw 2 tangents and they will be equal. Correct answer is B. Question 32. In a given circle with center O, ACB, AE, BD are tangents. If AB equals 12 cm, AE equals 3 cm, what is the length of BD? How do you solve this? We know that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Let us see the solution. AC equals AE equals 3 cm. AC equals AE equals 3 centimeter. Why? AE is 3 centimeter, AC and AE are tangents from A. They are equal. So, idu 3 centimeter. Next point. BC and AC is 12 centimeter. BC and AC is 12 centimeter. Yes, because they are part of this line and that line is 12 centimeter. Which means BC equals 12 minus 3, 9 centimeter. Why? AC is 3 centimeter, hence that has to be 9 centimeter. BC equals BD, 9 centimeter. If BC is 9 centimeter, BD has to be 9 centimeter because they are tangents from point B. Therefore, they are equal. So now ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? A ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. AE ಗೊತ್ತು, AC ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಉದ್ದ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದರಿಂದ BC ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. BC ಉದ್ದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು BD ಉದ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 9 centimeter. In the circle O, in the circle with the center O, the secant is. Secant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the correct answer is XY. Because it intersects at 2 points and it is a line which is going through the circle. Okay, question 34. This is a ratio question. Let's see. A student divided a line of 9 centimeter in ratio 2:3. We need to find those sides. So AM and BM 2:3 ratio ide. Total length 9 centimeter agide. We have to find the value of AM and BM. Let us see how to solve this. So they have given that AM BM is 2:3 ratio. We also know that AM plus BM is 9 centimeter. Alva? So ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು AM ಅನ್ನು 2A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, BM ಅನ್ನು 3A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, because they are in 2:3 ratio. If you add them, it is equal to 9, which means A equals 9 divided by 5, because 3A plus 2A is 5A, and that is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Since AM is 2A, AM has to be 3.6, 1.8 into times 2. 1.8 times 2 is 3.6. 1.8 times 3 is 5.4 centimeter. The correct answer is C. 35th question. It's a simple Pythagoras theorem question. Only thing is they have given a twist. Instead of hypotenuse being C, hypotenuse is B. So correct answer is D. Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square, which is B square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other sides, A square plus C square. 36th question. Volume and surface area of a sphere is equal, then the radius of the sphere. What does that mean? Volume of the sphere is given by this formula, surface area is given by this formula, they are equal. What does that mean? That means this is equal to this. If you cancel 4 pi r square, because that is there on both sides, you are left with r divided by 3 on the left hand side, which means r equals 3 units. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ r 3 units ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. Correct answer is A. 37th question. 37th question is a funnel and we have to say what is it. It's a combination of what? This one is a frustum and this one is a cylinder. So therefore, the correct answer is B. 38th question. So here we're supposed to tell a solid is in the shape of cylinder with 2 hemispheres. This is a hemisphere, this is a hemisphere, and this is a cylinder. We are supposed to tell the volume of the solid. Okay. So volume formula, hemisphere volume formula 2 by 3 pi r cube, cylinder volume formula pi r square h. We have to add 2 hemispheres, so that is 2 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, and we have to add the volume of the cylinder. So that will be, if you take pi r square as common, then we have 2 by 3 pi r cube and 2 by 3 pi r cube. If you add that, you will get 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if you take pi r square out, it becomes 4 by 3 plus h, which is pi r square h. Okay, correct answer is A. 39. So cone height ಮತ್ತು radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, slant height ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they've given us the height and the radius of the cone. We need to find the slant height. Now slant height is Pythagoras theorem formula. So slant height is given by square root of h square plus r square. H is 12, r is 5. If you substitute and simplify, you get 13 centimeter. So the correct answer is C. Final question. Frustum of a cone-shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of a sphere, then the volume of a sphere. So if you take a solid and melt it and make it into something else, the volume does not change. Hence the correct answer is D. ಒಂದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ is same as volume of frustum. So in this way we did 20 questions, the last 20 questions of model paper 2. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.